Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for November 6, 2024. Got a lot of up arrows, got a lot of optimism showing in the numbers. Market's always moving, got a little distortion in the data. We're going to go through that. Active available listings, we saw up 37 to 659, or up 6% week over week, up 20% year over year. New listings were up 34% week over week, up 16% year over year. Solds were up 37% week over week, up 31% year over year. Pendings were down a little bit, down 19% week over week, and down 11% year over year. But we saw the huge increase in solds, so that's where pendings end up. And we've got a bunch of new listings on the market that are going to go pending soon. Median sale price came in at $260,000, showing 16% appreciation week over week compared to last year. Year over year, last 12, we're seeing about $245,000 median sale price, which is showing about 7% appreciation year over year from last year. Days on market is where we're seeing a little bit of skewing. We saw it come in at 46 average, 20 median, but it was distorted by a new build that just closed. It's been on the market for 3 years, 1,111 days. If you take out that anomaly and recalculate the data, it moves down to about 33 average days on market, which is about on par with last year, where we saw 32 average and 14 median. So we're about on pace with last year. Last 12 sold, we're looking at 4,383 versus last year it was 4,330. So showing about a 1% increase over last year. So we're selling a few more homes than we are last year, which I predicted we were going to see by the end of the year. And I believe 2025 is going to be a much stronger year. We're going to see it come back more to the average. As we know, last year and this year are going to be the first 2 years in a decade that Fort Wayne has not sold over 5,000 homes in a 12-month period. And seeing average balanced inventory, we would need about 2,191 and a half homes. We're well short of that at our 659 mark, but we're still showing strong buyer demand, about 3.3 buyers per listing. So, we need more inventory as usual. Looks like we got a little more this week. Hopefully we'll keep getting more, and eventually we will get to a balanced inventory. It may take the pace we're going right now over the last few years. It's going to take years, but we'll get there eventually. But regardless, people make moves every day. You need some help with anything, put together a game plan, feel free to reach out to us. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.